Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Shut the front door.
Hello people. Hi guys, it's Vanessa coming back to you with another video or whatever. So today I'm gonna be doing a hair tutorial. Some of y'all have asked me like how I get my twist on my natural hair. I've been growing 2.5 years ago. It should be at that time. I might put like a picture over here of how my hair looked when I did the big chop. Ooh, my hair is not, y'all can see my whole hair. Okay, so I might put a picture here that shows like how my hair looked when the big chop, and now look at it right now. It's growing pretty fast right now. Right now it's just really tangled. That's why it looks like this. It looks terrible, but we're gonna see how it's gonna look in a little bit. I'm gonna show you how I changed from this to this. So first things first, if you're just doing the big chop and let's say you grow your hair under your relaxed hair and you just cut the hair, the relaxed hair on top, don't like expect your hair to like start complying with you immediately. It's like your twist outs and everything are not gonna look like boom pow, like you know how you see them in YouTube videos. It's gonna take like, some people it takes like 1 month or 3 months to like, you know, like acclimate to like, you know, new texture. Like sometimes it takes 6 months to like, you know, get a perfect twist out or like a good twist out or something. My hair took like about 1 year or something. So yeah, it was looking like when I tried to do twist outs, it was not working. It was just like, twist, where are the curls at? Like, where are the curls, honey? Like I put it to twist and then all you see is straight lines. Like, so yeah, it took like a year for me to get my hair to comply with me. So I'm just gonna go straight right into the video. Okay, so guys, here I am just sectioning out my hair into 4 equal places. The lines don't have to be straight here. Like for me, I was just like doing a twist out for the other day, and that's all. If I was preparing to keep my twist out for months or like for weeks, I would definitely pay attention to the lines. But these are not perfect, guys, but this is what I do. And so to hold the sectioned out parts together, I use these black and white clips I got from a local beauty supply store nearby my house. It's not expensive. It was about like $2 for a whole pack. And then I thought this was going to be really good for my collection of hair products and stuff. So they were just cute, and I was like, yes, sis. So they kept my hair all together and even, so I could like unsection them easily and like twist them out easily. So as I mentioned earlier, I sectioned out my hair into 4 places, and I released only the side I was going to be working with. So the products I used was I used a spray bottle that's the purple. I love purple. Anybody that knows me, oh my gosh. I don't know why, but my leave-in conditioner was also purple. I was like, God, thank you. So it's called the Aussie conditioner, 3 Miracle Curls. And I also used the argan oil. I added all that into my spray bottle, as well as a good amount of water. And guys, these are all really affordable products that you could get from Walmart or freaking Kroger or anywhere. And here I'm just I'm just picking up my paddle brush, and I'm just gonna section out where I want to work on first in that whole 4 sections. And I spray my mixture on it, and I use my paddle brush and go through the hair to make it curl up. Guys, you want to spray a good amount of the mixture on your hair, because usually my hair gets like really curly. It gets curled up when I put more products on it. So more conditioner equal to more curls. So guys, I want you to pay attention to how moist this part is, because when I swoop my fingers down my hair, I want it to feel like this, like so free. And now I'm using my paddle brush, like I said earlier, and I'm swooping, swoop, 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 swoop. So basically here, what I'm doing here is preparing to twist my hair. And I'm sectioning out little parts to start twisting. I'm not really using a comb here because, sis, I am doing this homemade and from scratch. So I didn't really have time to be doing that. So I just used my fingers and, you know, twist, turn, twist, turn, twist, turn is all I'm doing here. Like, twist, turn, and you want to end up keeping those ends tight and neat, because you want your curls to come out popping or whatever. You already know. So guys, you see this little end right here? So what I'd like to do to the end of my twist, you see it's a little bit curled up. You need to curl it around your finger and define the curls at the end so it could all lock up together. That's really important for when you're wanting for your curls to stay intact. So here I'm basically doing exactly the same thing for the next twist, you know. Turn, twist, turn, twist, turn, twist. You already know. And yeah, those are the 2 curl twists. Yes, sis. Okay, so I think y'all get the gist right now. So I'm basically going to do this for every other twist in that section. And I'm going to fast forward the rest of this part of this section and come back when the whole of the section is done. Here I am halfway through the front of my hair. I'm almost done with my twist. As y'all can see, I'm like halfway. And yeah, I'll probably come back a little bit after I'm done with all my twists on my head. And y'all can see like the updated version. So keep watching. Love y'all. So guys, I decided not to twist out my hair on that day. I ended up twisting my hair out 2 days after. So that's 2 days after I got my twists on. And everything was perfectly dry before I even unraveled it. So I'm just gonna take bobby pins and just like pin it.
Honestly, I don't really like that much hair. But yeah, this is one that you can do with the twist before you even twist it out.
So this is another look. I do with my twists. Another style could be like a side part type twist, and then you could pin this area down kind of like this, and then it's like this. So guys, these are my twists when it's unraveled, and girl, they are popping. I love my curls. Black girl magic. Yes. You can also